Oh, my fellow Glamazons, welcome back. If you are new, thanks for joining us. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for the month of April. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month and they're bomb. Like, I am always impressed with my Boxycharm Premiums. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm excited to see what's in here. Okay, the first product, oh, they're definitely very pigmented. Ooh, I'm really excited about this palette. Awesome. I mean, that's more, $62, that's more than the entire box cost. So, you know, you get your money's worth right there. One of my friends at work just ordered her first Boxycharm. She hasn't gotten it yet, but I'm like, girl, you're gonna love it. She's so excited. What? Alright, next we have a NARS Blush. This cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking brush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. Yeah, NARS blushes are the bomb. And they retail for $30. So what color do I get? Gaiety. Oh good, if I got Orgasm I was going to be pissed because I already have that. So let's see what Gaiety looks like. I also like the packaging of them. They're very sleek. They don't take up a lot of room. Oh yes! Totally my vibe. Yes. Oh. I'm proud of you, Boxycharm. You did me right. Sometimes you don't, but with this blush, yes. Oh, it's like a cotton candy pink. That is going to be perfect for summer and every other season. Who am I kidding? Well, basically it's summer the entire year here in Florida, so. Oh, I'm so happy about that. That's awesome. And the next one, I'm just like, it just keeps getting better and better. It's probably gonna suck after this, but hey, I'm happy with those two right there. All right, so we have the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, a universal makeup primer for all skin types. This shine-stopping, pore-diffusing primer smooths the way for better foundation application and longer wear with an instant retouch effect. So this retails for $32, and I've actually been wanting to try this primer for a while, so I'm so excited I got it. I love the packaging as well. It is in a glass bottle. Oh, so excited. All right, next, I'm not excited about. All right, it is Incredible Cosmetics Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. The glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. This glossy formulation is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. I don't know if oh, there's crystals in them. I see. I was like, how is this going to do anything to my chakras? Okay, let me open it then. I wasn't even going to open it, but now I'm kind of intrigued. And this retails for $24. Okay. How cool. This one is Find Love. And if you can see the crystals, I wish they would have put like which ones they are. Okay. I mean, it's just a traditional roller ball. I mean, I'm not super thrilled about that, but I do think they are very unique with the crystals in them. So, I don't know. I might keep these. We'll see. And here is the second one. Looks like there's some amethyst in there, and it is Heal Yourself. Let me see if I can smell it. Oh, actually on the side, it says amethyst and then rose quartz. I was going to say maybe that's rose quartz, but it's not very pink. don't smell anything. That doesn't mean there's not a scent. I just don't want to put it on my lips because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it yet or not. Alright, next we have these Luxe and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. These antimicrobial and hypoallergenic reusable bamboo pads are designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. Alright, they retail for $20. Oh, very nice. They're soft. Huh. I do have like some makeup removing towels, but this is nice to have just like a small pad. These are something I'll definitely use. I mean, it's not something I'm like over the moon excited about, but I'll definitely get use out of it. And the last product is this Dose of Colors eyeliner. This long-wearing creamy eyeliner glides on easily, blah, 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 built-in sharpener included. Okay, this retails for $15. I'm not too thrilled about the color that I see in the box. It's called Maybe Baby, and it's like a forest green. I don't know when I would ever wear a forest green eyeliner, to be honest. Yeah, I don't want to swatch it because I'm most likely gonna keep this for a giveaway. It looks like a very nice eyeliner though. I wish it just would have been a different color. Okay, so let me add up everything and see what the total retail value of this Boxycharm premium box is. Alright, so the total retail value is $183, which, you know, is on point with what they claim. They claim that you'll get at least $175 worth of products in the Boxycharm Premium. So, so excited about the palette, the primer, the blush, and the makeup pads. The roller balls and this, but all the other products definitely make up for it. So, as usual, I am super happy with my Boxycharm Premium. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright guys, I love you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I will see you in my next video. Bye.